Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. Today I have my top 5 Indian skincare products that I've used till date. So yeah, let's start. First I have Minimalist Arbutin Serum. I have tried many Arbutin serums and this is the best I have found, to be very honest, to work so well for my dark spots. It also has, I think, beauty resinol or something like that along with Arbutin that makes the formula really effective, and I love it. Very beautiful serum that takes care of pigmentation, and yeah, Minimalist has really good formulations, to be very honest. At number 2 I have Sugandha cleansing oil. This is the best cleansing oil I have tried from an Indian brand, to be very honest. Very lightweight, emulsifies well, takes care of makeup, dirt, sunscreen, doesn't sting my eyes. Love this cleansing oil. A wonderful formulation, and yeah, I can use this all my life. And I hope they come up with like bigger bottle, like 200 ml, because right now they only have 50 ml ka bottle. That is kinda less. At number 3 I have Conscious Chemist Peeling Gel. So this is one exfoliating serum. It has very strong exfoliating properties, so if you're a beginner, do not use it. And yeah, this is so good. The texture is gel-like, and while exfoliating, it also hydrates my skin. I wash it off in like 7 to 10 minutes, and after that my skin feels so glowy and hydrated. I love this, and I have tried other exfoliating serums from Indian brands, and I think this is the best I tried so far, because this is a very good exfoliating, like, you know, pill with high concentration of AHA. I have WishCare rose water. This is the best rose water I have tried, and I love using rose water during summer for my face, for my scalp. I have very itchy and oily scalp. I have noticed rose water helps there, to be very honest. Have you tried it? Have you used rose water for your scalp? If you have, let me know. And yeah, this is the best rose water I have tried so far. I love the spray applicator. And the last thing I have is one exfoliating mask with salicylic acid. This is from the Derma. They're 2% salicylic face mask. This is the best salicylic acid face mask I've ever used. It works on textures, then pimples. I love using this mask. This is a beautiful formulation and also quite affordable. Also, this brand gives this buy one get one now and then, so it gets quite affordable. If you're looking for a clay mask with salicylic acid to target your blackheads, then pimples, breakouts, you can check this one out. Lastly, I have this honorable mention, that is Biocule toner, which I really love. I love their Aqua Boost toner. This is so soothing and hydrating. I love this toner. This is no nonsense, can be used every day. Very good. Also, I'd like to use Foxtail hydrating serum. That one also quite nice for everyday routine. If you don't want to do too much and want a good hydrating routine, then use this Biocule toner and this Foxtail hydrating serum. So yeah, there is my best top 5 Indian skincare. I hope you found this to be helpful. Let me know about your favorites, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.